Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. It comes to us with low pressure. So when I tested the machine, I found out this water pump was not doing like its job. Look at it, it's from 2020, which is like, it's okay, but yeah, they recommended to replace these water pumps after like 5 years. So, and also this air valve, and they call it water valve, that fits on the water pump too. Replace it, clean the machine, deep clean and calibrate the grinder. It's like it's gonna be doing better now, because and even the setting, it's gonna do like finer grinder because I calibrated from inside. So let's go ahead and test it and make a espresso shot on it. And now it's an 11 and doing finer than it was used to do when it was in 5 or 4. So yeah, now it has more margin because it's an 11 now. I mean the grinder. I can do better shot. I'm gonna change the calibration to 8. I think it should be more. Still, it's this much. You can put more and get more pressure, but I prefer this amount. So let's see how it goes. There you go. Look at the pressure all the way up, and the consistency is gonna be like amazing. This is what I was talking about, the margin of the grinder too, and in the same time we have a great new water pump and a new air valve. There you go. This is really great shot with thick crema and 3 layers of coffee. In the time like I'm using not the best beans, it's only testing beans. So let's test the steamer. I mean, I can do it here. Now the hot water, I just like turn it to the hot water. It works perfect. And the steamer, it has some water in the system because I did the hot water from it. The machine functioning perfect, everything works great. Thank you for watching.